Green tea is celebrated for its health benefits, and its standout compound is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. EGCG is a natural antioxidant found in green tea. Numerous studies have explored EGCG's potential as a cancer-fighting agent. It works against cancer by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. EGCG can induce apoptosis, prevent tumor growth, arrest the cell cycle, and enhance DNA repair. It has been studied in relation to breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colorectal cancer. To incorporate green tea into your lifestyle, aim for regular consumption, choose high-quality tea, maintain a balanced diet, and consult a healthcare professional. EGCG holds promise as a natural agent for cancer protection and overall health. Although not a standalone cure, incorporating green tea into your routine can reduce the risk of developing cancer. Enjoy the benefits of green tea and savor its impact on your well-being.